Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to get the timestamps of a file. So we have this file and this is the path to my file. So I'm just going to write a function. Yeah. File timestamps. And we are going to pass it a file name. And we are going to use pathlibs path for the file name. And then we get the status of the file. And we are going to check if file is deleted. We are going to return an empty list. If not, fname exits. Then we are going to return empty list, else we are going to return file creation time, stc time, file modify time, and file access time. stm time, stats.st access time. And now we are going to call function and print out the return values. So we are just gonna first extract those values and save in different variables. So let's see. So we are going to call file time stamps and we are going to pass in the file, and then we are going to get back the stats. And then save in a c time, n time, and a time the return values from stats. And we are just gonna print the c time first. File creation time, and then file modify time, and file access time. Now we can run our code. There's a column missing over here. And here is the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Austin Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.